What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Orlando Coupon Queen, and we're at Walmart. I'm at my favorite Walmart. We will see if I can find some clearance totes. I think there's some clearance storage containers, something like that. We'll see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some like other hidden clearance, but yeah, let's go to Walmart. So make sure you guys are checking your clothing department. A lot of their clothing is going super low. So I found these here, the No Boundary. They're high-rise crop top flare. They are retail to almost $15, but when you scan them, they're actually only $4. Always pay attention to any holiday looking type leggings. These here are normally $4.44 and they're actually $1.11. There was a couple also, I think these were only $7 or $5 around there. These were also pretty cheap. Found another one, so this one retails to $15 and this is actually only $5, so I'm definitely gonna grab these because they'll probably fit one of my children. This size, what is this? This is a size 11. Ooh, this one's also only $5. And then I found these are normally $9 and they're actually $3. They're like a really cute little furry kind of feel, so $3 for these. If your store carries Reebok or Fubu, yes, I didn't think that Fubu was still a thing, but apparently Fubu is a thing. Check the area or check that section because it looks like a lot of it is being clearance down. So this one was $13 and now it is $7. This one's still full price. I'm trying to look for like the Reebok joggers because a lot of them are on clearance for only $1, but I cannot find them. What I did find were these Fubu kind of crop top things. So these retail to almost $10 and they're only $1. All these here only $1. I'm not gonna grab any because it's not for me. These I actually grabbed a couple months ago, honestly, and it looks like they just got another. I swear this store has so much stuff in the back room, like in the stock room, and they're just like taking things out. So this was like the first round of Black Friday items. This was, I believe, Black Friday price. I think it was $5 or $7, but now they're $3. And I did buy this one last time I was here. Well, not last time I was here, like I said, about a couple months ago. Like I think back in November, I got this for $3 also, but now they have different colors. So now more neutral colors. So now I don't have to like stick with Christmas theme. I can just grab like the black or the gray one. Check your stores because it looks like they still have a whole bunch of stuff in the back in the stock room and they're just bringing them out. These are one of the items that I was looking for. These are like the huge totes. Okay, I can put myself in here and just ship me off, but they have these and they were almost $20 and then they put them to $2 and then the store was like, you know what, we're gonna do it for $1. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I'm just kind of upset because they don't have like no top to it, but listen, for $1 I will take like 4 of these and put it in my storage and then we'll call it a day. Also keep an eye out on these Glade and some of the Febreze scents, the like fall scents or the Christmas scents. So this one's fall, it's super late, but this one's only $1.17 for 2 of them, so that's not bad. This 2-pack is I think $4 and then this one's $2.95 still. These are still full price and then these were also on clearance for $4. Okay y'all, so I think I hit the jackpot. All these are on clearance and they were outside hiding, so now I'm gonna grab them all. I'm gonna tell you guys how much they are, but I know they're super cheap. Okay, so these wreath storage containers, they're still full price, but check your stores because some of them are becoming cheaper or getting on clearance. Now this one here is $2, which is perfect, and then this one's just a little bit bigger and it's actually $5 for this one. I still have my big ones, but for the simple fact that they don't have any lids, I think I'm gonna replace it with these, honestly, because I don't know, I might just buy only one of these. I can put like maybe something soft like old jackets or something, because this without a lid, I don't like it. I'm gonna go ahead and check the storage section to see just in case the lids are on the top shelf, but I don't see no lids, so that's probably why it was $1. But I did find those. I'm happy about those. I'm gonna grab them and I will let you guys know if I find any more. Here is my next find. So these are the Better Homes and Garden. These are a pendant light and it's super cute. They retail for almost $35 and they're actually on clearance for only $9.72. So these are perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and buy it because a lot of you guys ask, like, what do I do with my clearance finds? Sometimes whenever stuff like this, I will buy it, and then, you know, when I do buy a house eventually, I have it and I don't need to worry about it because these look super cute. Look at that. I'm gonna get 3 of them just so I can set it up just like that. Found these. Obviously that is not the price for that, so I went ahead and scanned it and they're only $5. I think these retail for like maybe $14 or $10, but now they are $5. I kind of want this one though, a little lightning bolt, and maybe the palm tree because hey, we're in Orlando, right? Here is another one. So I actually been eyeing this for a little bit. It was $80 last time I saw it and I was like, oh no, that's a little bit too much. Now it's only $50. So it was $109 and now it's only $50. I'm still debating if I should get it because it does give you like different options for like different pulps, and my husband does love orange juice. Oh look, yeah, it does show $50. So $50 for that. It is a good buy. I'm not gonna say I think it is a good buy, because it's normally $100 and it's still $100, over $100 on the website. So remember when I told you guys to keep an eye out on this area because everything is going to go lower, and it will. We just have to wait and see. I found these. They are a tower wrap with a wet hair scrunchie set. I don't know what they retail to. I think it retails to $24. I am not sure, to be honest with you. I didn't scan that, but I did scan it with the app and it's only $2. So I grabbed 2, one for my children, well, each of my children. Quite a different ones there, but these were the only 2 that I grabbed. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out your stores for any of these like storage container things because it looks like they're going down in some stores. I went to another one just now and this store had nothing so far. This was the only store that I scored these. Like I said, the white one didn't have a lid, so they put it for $1 because they were just trying to get rid of it because they had so many at that store. Thank you for watching. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on all notifications to be alerted when I post a new video. Also, don't forget about Ross. It's coming. If you don't know about it, gonna go ahead and link the video right here so you guys can rewatch that, but it is coming in a short few weeks, so make sure you guys are prepared. As always, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love y'all. Bye.